is how it feels to be alive.
Nigga, fuck that, how old are you? She say 22, I say for my life, can't say that.
Sandwich time.
Okay, that one didn't taste bad.
Like tripping.
You said it was...
But it's orange.
Take it from him. He was.
I can just cut her loose. You could just...
You do it. I'm like, yeah, no, it's not hard.
He's doing a little jig for us.
This is the one we're trying to go to. There might be... Yeah, I think there probably been easier if we actually didn't go the other way.
And then walk down instead of up.
Yeah.
Taking a picture of Lena.
Can you put this in the back?
But it wasn't very convincing.
This is insane.
There we go, perfect.
Oh, you can, no, you can see through here. Yeah, it works.
Bro.
Oh,
I want to know what kind of hawks those are.
I don't know, people in Europe, I think. Like, people, no one...
I'll be with you in just one. I'm sorry, take one of dish.
I like that.
Welcome back, everyone. It's Charlie.